A UAV LiDAR system is not only about the hardware. Collecting the survey data is the straightforward part of the process. You need to turn your raw data into business information and provide quality assurance on the data you've collected. We've made it simple for you. Survey industry expertise is behind the Rootscene system, created by surveyors for professionals. We've applied 30 years' experience across surveying LiDAR, GIS, dynamic data capture, and data management to develop our system. Let's take a look at the applications. We know our system is perfect for situations where accurate mapping is essential but difficult to achieve. For example, hard-to-reach areas such as steep gullies, hazardous environments such as landslides, and when you need to penetrate vegetation to reach the ground beneath. Compared to traditional survey methods, our system can undertake a project in a fraction of the time and cost. Plus, health and safety is improved. You can fly over hazardous areas without putting your team at risk. Your output will be at a much higher resolution, providing digital surface and terrain models which no other survey technique can deliver. We understand the problems you need to solve and have designed a reliable and practical solution. We provide everything you need to get the job done, from workflow methodologies, hardware, firmware, quality assurance software, post-processing software, training, and support. Fundamental to this turnkey mapping system is a carefully thought-through 6-step workflow. It spans the entire project from survey and project planning, data acquisition, and data processing to the final outputs. This is what makes our solution unique. And quality is important too. The quality of our products, our service, and your final outputs. At the heart of our business is a strong ethos of quality assurance and quality control. The quality of the data being collected is monitored in real time during the entire drone survey using our QA Monitor application. Improving and verifying accuracy is a critical factor too. We advocate that every survey has ground control established by accurately surveying in ground control points using Rootscene's ground control targets on those location points. As a result, you will improve the quality of and your confidence in your survey data, thereby significantly increasing the value of your data and your final outputs. We excel in our customer-specific training delivery. We provide comprehensive training and customer support as we know from experience working with our customers around the world that achieving optimal results is easier and quicker with in-depth training and direct access to support. It means you achieve a quicker return on your investment. We enable this through our established US and UK offices serving our customers across different time zones. At Rootscene, we're always looking beyond the point, using our knowledge and expertise to simplify everything for you.